Hi, we are from Gita Vidya Mandir. I am Shivu.
I am Sarvesh.
I am Raya Silvas. Our topic is Aquanova. Clean water is a basic human need, but many places in Tamil Nadu don't get safe, clean drinking water. We saw this as a big concern and we decided to take this as a problem statement. So we came up with a system known as Aquanova.
We will say what is the actual solution.
So, we found out the problems from the survey which I took in the Tanjavur district. So, our primary data was from the survey which we collected. We surveyed from more than 50 people in those villages, which is Malayali Party, and even in the Piliyar villages. So after that, our secondary data was from the websites which we got. So after that, we actually got a clear data from what is the water crisis and actually what is the problem in those rural villages, especially in our Tamil Nadu. So our problem statement is each and every rural people walk up to 2 kilometers daily to fetch just 2 pots of water. It takes them more than 2 hours. So it actually decreases the percentage of the women labor opportunities. So when we actually interviewed a person. She was literally crying. So it touched her heart. So we just made our project to be more efficient, to actually help those people who are in the real need of this project. Our solution consists of a 5-layer purification system, which is coir, gravel, pebble, sand, and the activated carbon. Our project is a working model which starts from a hill, from where there is a rainwater, or from where the rainwater is being passing through, where we keep gravel to give the water proper time to percolate into the soil. Then the water goes to a lake, which is a natural lake, which is in each and every village. From there, the water is then passed through a 5-layer purification system, as I mentioned. Coir, gravel, pebbles, sand, and the activated carbon. From there, with the help of the solar energy, we pump the water to a well or a natural spring, where it will be closed with a dome, which consists of fiber to allow the sunlight to naturally disinfect water. Additionally, we have the UV purification system inside it to doubly ensure safety. From that, with the help of the wind energy, we pump the water to the overhead tank and we supply via household taps. So I mentioned about the natural spring. For an entire village, as a survey, there is only a single natural spring for an entire village. So this shows the water crisis in our Tamil Nadu region. So to recharge the groundwater for the natural springs, we actually ensure on building check dams, rooftop rainwater harvesting system, gravel as I mentioned, and we also start using percolation ponds, and even we use infiltration trenches, which ensures the rise in the pure drinking water in the groundwater area.
Our Aquanova project consists of more sustainable development goals. They are SDG 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 and 13, which ensures a proper human need, which is water. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.